We're now joined by Court TV reporter Chanley Painter, who is in Idaho. She was at today's hearing.
Chanley, following up on what Adam just reported, you heard today's testimony. What was the defense's argument as to why the charges should be dismissed?
Well, while the defense didn't put on any evidence in this two-day preliminary hearing, the attorney, John Pryor, representing Chad Daybell, did make an impassioned closing argument, trying to point to the elements of the charges he's facing. Conspiracy, telling the judge that there's no evidence of an agreement between Chad and Lori that they were going to conspire to conceal these remains. And there also required overt acts on the part of Chad and Lori in furtherance of that crime. He said just being married doesn't mean that they're committing an overt act or agreeing to commit this crime, really trying to convince the judge there's not sufficient evidence, not even at the low preliminary hearing probable cause standard. Ultimately, the judge, like Adam said, did not agree with the defense's argument, did not drop the charges, and now Chad Daybell will move forward in this case.
Chanley, knowing that Daybell is now going to trial, what's next in the timeline?
Well, now his case moves up from the magistrate court up to district court, felony court here in Idaho, which means he will have a new judge. The judge today set an arraignment for Chad Daybell August the 21st. That's when he will actually enter a formal plea of guilty or not guilty for the 4 felony counts he faces here. And then there will be a trial date set, although that might likely be far out from now due to coronavirus delays for jury trials. But his case moves on.
All right, Chanley Painter from Court TV, thank you so much for your coverage of this preliminary hearing.